Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. Wavykid. Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. It's the way. Wavykid.
YouTube, today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to be sanitary, okay? Because barbers need to be sanitary. You need to be clean. Your station needs to be clean. But not for real. Let me stop playing. But yeah, this video is for my beginner barbers, okay? I'm gonna teach y'all how to be sanitary, how to clean y'all stuff, how to deep clean y'all stuff, all your supplies, all your clippers, your brushes, all of that, okay? It's Saturday night, and I usually do all my deep cleaning on Saturday night. So I'm finna show y'all what I do, and hopefully you do it too, and keep your shop clean as well. Let's get into it. Alright, YouTube, so basically this is where I cut hair at, okay? We done transformed so-called used to be kitchen. Okay, we done transformed it to the barber shop. Okay, so basically it's dirty right now. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do to clean it all up. Basically the regular stuff, just like clean your room. Y'all really here for the barber supplies, but I'm gonna show y'all what I do to the whole room anyway. So let's get into it.
Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain?
Where you get your beats?
Alright, YouTube, so this is my station. This is where I cut at. So all my stuff is. As you can see, it is a mess right now. I'm going to clean all of this up, get this situated up top, and then I'm going to go into detail how I clean my clippers. And that's what y'all need to know, okay? So basically, I'm going to clean this all the way at the top. All of this stuff is just sorted around, get rid of the trash, get rid of everything, okay? And then when it comes to the clippers, I'm going to explain to y'all what I do. So we just going to speed this up and get the easy part out the way.
Where you get your beats?
Alright, YouTube, so now that I got all of this situated up top, so basically before I start cleaning my clippers, get your barber side or your favorite aftershave. You can fill it with half aftershave, half barber side, you know what I'm saying? But make sure it's a disinfectant, okay? So you can put it in there, throw it comes in here. So this is what I'm about to do right now. Then I'm just gonna set this to the side after you put the combs in there. Just let that soak overnight. But now I'm gonna teach you how to deep clean your clippers, okay? So regularly, when you're cleaning your clippers, you usually would just turn them on, brush them off, get your cool care, spray both sides, brush them off again, and you're ready to go, okay? You usually do this before and after every cut. This will just keep them running good, clean, disinfected, okay? At the end of every week, so every Saturday at nighttime or Sunday during the day, I deep clean them. So I'm finna show you how to deep clean it. Alright, you guys, so now that we got the bowl, We're gonna get you a bowl you can use for your clippers that you don't care about, or just steal one from your mom. Either use your favorite aftershave, or you can use the Cool Care deep cleansing. I forgot what the word is. I think it's the blade wash. I think it's called blade wash. You can use that too, but if you don't have it, you can always use your aftershave. And I'm finna show you which one to do. So now I have a bowl full of blade wash or aftershave. So now take your clipper, turn it on, and just let it run. Now you can clearly see all that hair coming out of the clipper. You just want to do this until you stop seeing hair coming out. Alright, so now that all the hair is out of here, just brush it off. You go ahead, just throw it on the charger, and then go ahead and move on to the next one. So now you just want to do this with all your clippers. If the blade wash just does get filled with too much hair, then you can empty it out and change it.
Where you get your beats?
So as you can see, this water is dirty. Alright, it's full of hair. So I'm basically just gonna I don't want to tilt it over. Hold on, let me see if I could just bend the camera just a little bit. Alright, so as y'all can see, this joint is full with hair. So I'm finna rinse this out, put a little bit more in there, and rinse out the rest of my clippers. Let's go. Shout out to OT Reese, man. She ain't spinning, but nah, I'm just playing. She the only flawless one on the Wave Cartel gang. But listen, y'all go follow Reese. You know what I'm saying? Follow Reese right here. Whatever her name is on IG, it should be right here on the screen somewhere. Alright, follow her on TikTok too. She live on TikTok. Hey Reese, you wanna say anything to the Wave kids?
I just wanna say it's the wave, man. You know what I'm saying? Follow my boy Wavykid Care, cause it's up. It's up.
And it's stuck. Yeah. Let's get it. Alright y'all, so now I'm finna show y'all how I clean my brushes. These are the brushes that I use to cut hair, the brush that I used to brush the hair down after I cut the hair down. And then I think that might be it, maybe. I think so. Let's get it. Alright YouTube, so now we about to clean these brushes. First thing we do is get the water hot. Alright, don't mind the sink, okay? We don't have a perfect home. Or a brand new home, you know what I'm saying? But to get the water hot, just let the water run through all the brushes. Try not to burn your hands. What you're gonna do, you're gonna grab a comb, a separate comb that you don't use in your clients. Just comb through all the way. Make sure you have a drain where you can get the hair out. Unless you're just gonna let it fall in in your drain, which I do not recommend. Okay, don't tell your parents that I told you to do that. Alright, because I didn't. I told you to get it out the drain. You know what I'm saying? But you need the hot water to help get out the brushes. Get all that hair out the brushes. Now, if it's a little hair, I don't think a little hair is gonna do anything to your drain, but so yeah, just comb it out. I'll tell you what to do next when I'm done with the brushes. Alright y'all, so the next step, get you some detergent or some soap, it don't matter. I like mine to be clean, you know what I'm saying? So I use detergent. I got this tie right here. Basically what you wanna do, get that tie on all the brushes. Alright, turn the warm water on. And basically you're just gonna treat it like you're cleaning your hair. And just get all up in there. Make sure all the bristles smell like detergent. And the whole brush is clean. And do that with all of the brushes, no matter how big or small.
Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain?
Where you get your beats?
Everybody's a fan. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain?
Alright YouTube, so that's basically how I clean all my stuff. Everything that you see in this video, I usually do once a week where I deep clean my clippers. I clean up my area, you know what I'm saying? You know, wipe the counters and stuff like that. I usually do all of that once a week, but every day I do just the basics, you know, brushing the clippers out, spraying the cool care, sweeping the floor, all of that. That's the typical stuff. But the deep cleaning, you want to do it at least once a week, if not twice a week. Just to keep everything clean, you know, you want to keep the germs away, all the infections, especially with COVID-19, you need to stay clean, okay? So after you do all of that, you want to sweep last, because all the hair that you brush off your clippers, all this stuff, that junk, all the junk that flew on the ground from deep cleaning your clippers and everything, you want to sweep and then mop and then call that a day, okay? Yeah, so I'm about to sweep, mop, and then go to bed, you know what I'm saying? I might brush my hair, but listen. That's basically how you deep clean all your utensils for a young barber or for a beginner barber or just for anybody that just wanted to watch the video. But yeah, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Comment what you think, subscribe if you're new. It's your boy Wavykid Kev. Follow me on Instagram at Wavykid_Kev. And we out. More content dropping soon, you already know. Road to 50K. We're going to try to get to 100K by the end of the year. We're going to try. Alright, but road to 50K. But I'm out. Deuces.
Where you get your beats?